All right, here's a question where you need to graph the equation using slope and y-intercept. Initially, this equation is written in just the ax plus by equals c form. So I have x plus 4y is equal to 8. What I'm wanting to do is to make it look like this so that I can determine what the slope and the y-intercept are. So I need to move the x to the other side. So subtract x on this side and subtract x on that side. That'll leave me with 4y is equal to negative x plus 8. Okay, now I need a y, just a y on the left side, and I have a 4y. So to get rid of that 4, since it's multiply, I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So these 4's cancel out, and I have y is equal to, there's no number in front of the x, but we could write a 1 there. So this would be a negative 1/4 x plus 8 divided 4 is 2. Okay, now I've got it in the right form. So this number here is my slope, negative 1/4, and this number is my y-intercept, or my b. So to graph this, you need to, on the graph, I always start with my y-intercept. So the y-intercept is plus 2. So that would be that point right there. And then, and when you do the graphing utility in MyLabs, you sort of have to pick 2 points. And then I think they draw the line between them. Okay, so I picked that point. And then from that point, I need to use the slope to find another point. So when I have the slope, I could write it like negative 1/4, or I could write it like I could have the negative up top, or I could have it in the middle like this, or I can have the negative in the bottom. Any of those will work. I'm going to pick this one, and so my rise is going to be negative 1, and my run will be positive 4. So if my rise is negative, that means instead of rising, I actually fall. So where's my colors here? So from that point there, I'm going to come down 1. And then it says to run 4. And it's a positive 4, so that's going to be to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. So that'll be another point. If I want to draw a line between those, I could. That's not the best line, but it should go through both of those. I think in the graphing utility, you just tap on each point and say a line or something, and it goes. Another thing you could have done from that point, I'll use green maybe, from this point, instead of going down 1 and to the right 4, I could have gone like here. I could have gone up 1 and then 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's another point on my line. Again, you can see that first attempt wasn't the best one, so a line more like that that's going through all points. All right, hopefully that helps you.